Hey everybody, in 5 minutes and 5 steps, we're going to create a reusable AI system for infinite tailored elevator speeches, cover letters, resumes, interview questions, responses, and anything else along your job journey. So the first step is creating your data. You need to tell the AI bot who you are, everything about you. So I have created a template of all the information you need to fill out to tell the AI bot about yourself. Simple stuff, my name, address, all that stuff. Education, it looks like a resume, but it's not. Anything else that helps tell somebody about yourself, I want it in here, but use my template so it's formatted so the bot can understand. You have a section, fun facts, it will know and remember those. So what do we do from there? We need to choose and inform that AI agent. You can use Bard, Google's, you can use Copilot from Microsoft. I prefer ChatGPT because they've been around for a bit. The reason I like them the most is they have this new feature that's hopefully enabled on your account. You can put custom instructions about yourself the bot will always remember. So all I'm doing here is I've filled out my information about myself, all of this. All I have to do is copy and paste that into this section, and the bot will now forever know everything about me and use that to tailor the answers. Want to test it out? Who am I and what do I do? Instantly, it knows. It knows me. That was a sort of a gut check. Now I've informed my agent. What do? I have to generate my content, but I want to provide the situation or the context for what I am creating. We're going to be creating an elevator speech, a cover letter, a resume, and some interview questions and answers as if we were applying for an internship or a job. But to make this really good, I need to tell it what job or what internship. It knows about me. It doesn't know about the job. Let's say I'm applying for this internship. You want to tell it about this internship. You want to give it the relevant information. So don't copy everything on the page, copy the name, the location, all of this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in here to make me all of those things, use this information. So make me. And now I will ask it to create those things. This is what it just did. It says, great. Boom. It's taking everything. Look at this. It's talking specifically about myself with what it knows about me. Here's my cover letter. Here's my resume. Here's my objective, education, experience, certification, interview questions, answers to interview questions. All kinds of great stuff. Now just think about it. In 5 seconds, I created way more than you could have done in hours. And you have a really great starting point. But please note, this is only a starting point. Next up, we need to enhance and correct your content. What's most powerful about these bots is not taking what it gives you, but then making it better. So we'll just take one of the pieces of content. Let's just look at the resume. You do not want to submit false information. It might have false information inside of here. You have to remove that. So on first pass, I look at this and I think, feels a little bit sparse. I only have one bullet point. I don't have a whole lot in my career. So maybe I want to fill that out a bit more. Maybe I want to change the tone. My recommended tone for student is humble yet hungry. So let's do that. Let's update my resume, but direct. Okay. Certainly, it says it'll do it. So let's check it out. You can see now I'm seeing 2 bullet points, 3, maybe I still want more. Opening and closing. So up here, we've got stuff about seeking internship to launch a dynamic career, desire to help individuals. It's got 2 bullet points, and you can do this on and on and on again. If you have not thrived in a fast-paced environment, do not put that. You need to remove it. It will shoot you in the foot at a later date. If you're not tech savvy and you just happen to know how to use Microsoft Word, which is often the case, you need to delete that or to tweak it. Do not call it something you're not. In the end, it will screw you over and you don't want that. So once you've done this, again, 2, 3, 4, 5 times saying, what don't I like about this? What can I change? Is the tone? Is it lying? You can ask it not to put those things. You can say, do not mention, again, tech savvy. Just tell it you're not tech savvy. It will know that. It will change this. Once you've got that, you're going to want to dump that into a doc. So you can start to play with that. You can also tell ChatGPT to change its formatting. So you can say, redo my resume, optimize for space. And now it's going to say, aha, I need to make it in a way that's shorter. So you can see it removes some of those bullet points, group these together up here. It shortened your objective. So you're going to go do this as many times as you need to, where this is probably too short, right? I want more information about that. You're going to go back and forth. But once you get the final step is you need to create and format docs for submission. So you've got your doc here. You have a couple of options. One, you can, if you think it's looking good enough, you can format this in here and try to use this as your resume. That's option one. Option two is taking your favorite resume template, like say this one, copying and pasting into here so that you're laying it out just like they have. Option three is if you want to use an online resume builder. Now, I don't recommend this as your first step. And I don't recommend this if you're only submitting jobs online. Why? Oftentimes these specially formatted resumes, and you can see this one, instaresume.io, which is free. They're actually really good. But if you look at all the formats, they are all colors, pictures, things like this. You'll often hear that the online systems don't like that. This would be an extra thing that you do. You generally want to use a trusted resume that's really clean and simple. So that is how you can make a reusable AI system for yourself, where you can then create elevator speeches, cover letters, resumes, whatever you want for this job journey. Thanks.